And she has a little house.
Here
we go. Okay, now put her in here. Yeah, put her right in here. What are you going to do?
Where are you going? Bring her back.
Yeah, I have to go bye-bye in a few minutes. I have to leave. Hi. That's so pretty. Oh, you have a bracelet. You want Gigi to fix it twice? Here. No. You do it. I didn't get a hug this morning. I didn't get any hug.
You give Gigi a hug.
You got a hug in your pocket? Who is that talking? Saying hello, Samantha. Hello, Samantha. I'm calling.
Say hi.
Is that Mickey Mouse calling you? I think it's Mickey Mouse saying hello. When are you coming to Disneyland to see me? That'd be fun. Ooh.
Is it for Gigi?
Is it the phone for me? I'm coming soon.
Samantha, go give Gigi a kiss.
That ain't gonna happen. Really? Hello?
Hi. 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 It's for you. It's for Gigi.
Gigi talk? I bet it's Noah calling. Oh.
You want to put your pretty necklace on Gigi?
Can I wear it?
Go let Gigi wear your pretty necklace.
I'm going to a party. Will you let Gigi wear it to the party? Yeah.
Go put it.
I'm going to go
Put it
bye-bye.
on Gigi.
I'm going bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm going soon.
Who's going bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you so much. Do you look at Mima? Mia, look at Mia. Come do it again. Mia didn't see you do that.
Give Gigi another kiss. Tell her bye-bye.
Before I go bye-bye.
Go tell her bye-bye.